Hi guys, so for this video I'm using crochet hook in size 3.25 millimeters and cotton in size 4 medium. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 5. Now on the last chain from my hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 3. Now I need to make 4 double crochet cluster right here. This 3 chain already counts as 1, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll chain 3. Then through that same loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. Chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. Again I'll chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. Chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. And now again I'll chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now to finish row 1 I'll chain 3, then right here through this first double crochet cluster chain I'll make a slip stitch. Oops. So this completes row 1. Through this next chain for row 2 I'll make a slip stitch. Through this 3 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. Again I will chain 3. Now right here through the 3 chain loop I need to make 4 double crochet cluster. This 3 chain already counts as 1. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll chain 2. Then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 5. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 2. Through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. Again I'll chain 5. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. Chain 2. Through that same loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. Chain 5. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 2. Through the same loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 5. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. Again, I'll chain 2, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. I'll chain, wait, see, we made a mistake right here. Here's supposed to be 5. Alright, so I'll chain 5. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. Now to finish row 2 I'll chain 5, then right here through this first double crochet cluster chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3, through this next chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. I'll chain 3, through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Again, I'll chain 3, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this See, through this loop right here in the beginning of row, we have made 4 double crochet. So right through the same loop, I'll make 4 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4 I will chain 1. Now through this first chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through these next 3 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this single crochet right here, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next 4 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 6. Then through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I'll chain 6. Through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I'll chain 6. Through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through the next 4 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 4 double crochet chains, 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this 3 chain loop, 1 single crochet, chain 4. Well, wait, did I say 4 or 6 here? I think I said 6. Chain 6. Through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6. Through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6. Through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through these next 4 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through these next 4 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I'll chain 6. Through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6. Through the same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6. Through the same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through these next 4 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through these next 4 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I'll chain 6. Through the same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6. Through the same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6. Through the same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next 4 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through these next 4 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6. Through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6. Through that same 3 chain loop, 1 single crochet, chain 6. Through that same 3 chain loop, 1 single crochet. Through these next 4 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this next single crochet chain, 1 single crochet. Through these next 4 double crochet chains, 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this next 3 chain loop, 1 single crochet. I'll chain 6. Through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6. Through that same 3 chain loop, 1 single crochet, chain 6. Through that same 3 chain loop, 1 single crochet. Now to finish this row, right here through this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1. Then I'll cut this yarn